So in this video we are going to learn about creating project under the department application for implementation project, that is the EPS structure that we have created in the first video of this tutorial series. So for creating the project under EPS structure, that is this department, we have to follow this step. At first we have to open the Primavera, and we are continuing from our previous video. So at first you have to go to file, then click on new. Then from here you have to click here. Then you have to choose the department name, that is the application implementation project. Then you have to click on next. Then write the project ID. So in our case the project ID is A1 and the project name is we can see from here, that is the turbine installation. So we can write this name, turbine. So after writing the name you have to click on next. So this date can be changed later, so you don't have to change now. So click on next. So this value will not be changed now because we have not decided the responsible manager. So you have to click on next, then again next, then you have to click on finish. Then you have to go to the enterprise, then you have to click on the project. Then you can see that the turbine installation project has been created under the application implementation project department. That is, under this department of the Vision Corporation, we have created a project called turbine installation in this video. So that's all for this video, and in the next video we are going to create WBS structure, that is work breakdown structure, under this project. So thank you, and please subscribe to the channel.